We've all heard the saying, you only have one chance to make a great first impression. If you're concerned, the good news is you've not met everyone yet. So you have a chance to remake the first impression you want to deliver consistently from this point forward. The easiest way to make a lasting first impression? Market a property. That's right. Are you just communicating 3 beds and 2 baths, or are you telling a story in a way that the viewer is so captivated by your new listing, they are also telling themselves, I want my house to be marketed just like that someday. I would argue that 20% of the marketing is to sell the home, but 80% is about you and your brand. Think about who you want to impress besides the seller. Who's likely to notice the new property on the market next? Most likely, the neighbors you want to meet, followed closely by those searching online for the next opportunity who may or may not be working with an agent yet. Houses will come and go, but your brand is meant to last. Make sense? One of the best compliments a seller can give you is, wow, my house looks so great, I question why I'm selling it. That statement alone says you're likely to sell this house for more. Next, the neighbors. When they see this home, you want them telling themselves, I've been in that house and I don't remember it looking this fantastic. Who did they hire to market it? Wow. So what I'm telling you is, don't just put a house on the market. Rather, package the property to sell for more so you increase your chances of getting to do it again and again. Think about the importance of the following elements as it relates to how you want to be perceived by the people wanting to hire you to sell their home. So invest the time to do it right. Take perhaps 2 to 4 weeks in advance if possible to maximize curb appeal. The exterior of the property sets the tone for the entire viewing experience. Make sure the lawn is well manicured, the landscaping is tidy, and the exterior of the property is clean and well maintained. Consider painting the front door and adding some colorful flowers or plants to add vibrancy. Interior appeal. Consider staging the property to showcase its potential. This could involve making any necessary repairs, addressing any scent issues, painting a wall or room, adding lighting, and arranging furniture in a way that maximizes space and highlights the property's best features. Additionally, consider decluttering and introducing decorative elements like artwork or accessories to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Professional photography and videography. Invest in professional photography and video to tell a story and showcase the property online and in your marketing materials. High-quality photos and video can attract more attention and generate more interest in the property. The goal is to help people visualize themselves living in their new home, loving the neighborhood, and flourishing in the community. Do it well, and everyone will want to meet you, the matchmaker. Now, let's meet the matchmaker. Professional appearance. How you present yourself should be painfully obvious. Nevertheless, I'm still surprised by the lack of attention here. If 3 people are viewing a home and I can't tell who the real estate agent is, that's a problem. Dressing professionally instills confidence and trust in potential clients. So choose attire that reflects your personal style while still being appropriate for the real estate industry. How about the open house? Although your objective is to make the home accessible and convenient for people to view the property, I want you to be thinking foremost that each person entering the home, consciously or unconsciously, is interviewing their next listing agent. Be welcoming. Make it fun. Don't start a conversation by asking them to sign in. Rather, offer them something to drink, a snack, a restroom perhaps, and engage with them about how long they've been looking, when they'd like to be settled, and if they found a home today, what would they do? The goal is to build rapport, not interrogate. Bottom line, while I don't expect your brand to appeal to everyone, it shouldn't be viewed negatively by anyone. By focusing on these areas consistently, you can create a strong and memorable first impression that sets you apart in this competitive real estate industry and increases the likelihood of a successful real estate transaction and a long-term relationship with your clients. Create the experience your clients will love to talk about.